Hey y'all, welcome back. We're not gonna focus on the hair. I cut it. We're not talking about that. So got another got another pack. That was wild. I know what it is, but I wanted to do this unboxing because this is special for me, you know? This is got a little weight on it. Hold on now. That sounds heavy. Heavy. Ooh. A cute little red box. Not like the video. Well, depends on what type of time you want. This is cute. Y'all know I love packaging. Let me get this out. Y'all know I love packaging. Y'all know. And it's just a simple red box. Nothing fancy, nothing printed. Discreet packaging. This makes me so glad that I purchased this because yes, this is cheap. But even it's the effort. They did not have to tie a little bow. Let me put it back here so y'all can see this for real. Like, look, it's giving Halloween though with the black and orange, but they did not have to do this. A little bow to keep it secure in a little bag, a little velvet bag, you know? Y'all looking at this like, girl, seriously? This is really cute. I like this. Now for the unveiling. Okay, so this is cute. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me get my my YouTuber what you call it? Well, you can't really see it through there, but you know, you can get the idea. It's pink. It's pink. I'm frightened for dropping it on, but aye. If you don't know what this is, keep your mind innocent. Don't ask. Okay, so I've been fascinated with these, not this specific design, but you know, glass toys. I did not turn off my heater. Whatever. If y'all hear background noise, I'm sorry. But I have been fascinated with these since, what was that, 2007, 2008? I had an assignment in my lighting class and we had to photograph glass items. Me being young and innocent, I brought in like, you know how Jamaican people have the whole heap of, like crystalware, you know, like the candy bowl and then the little dish them and something. That's what I brought. It was a 2-part something, a little dish, because it was intricate, it had details, and I was like, this would be great for lighting. If I could master photographing this, spot on, right? Yes, this is story time. So I was teamed up with some girls that were older than me, significantly older than me. I was in my teens and they were late 20s, early 30s, I believe, if not older. My love bigger man friend. Like, if I'm not absence, hi. So yeah, so we in the class or whatever, and they brought out their glass pieces to photograph. Mind you, this was something we photographed in class with the professor as an assignment. Like, we were told ahead of time, bring this in and you're gonna photograph it. This was like in class assignment. This wasn't homework, this was studio work, this wasn't something we had to do on our own. This was something we were doing in class. We could even ask other teams, because we're like grouped up to ask other teams like for assistance or suggestions, ask the professor, right? And we knew this. Of course, the people I grouped up with, one of them brought like 3 different kinds of these, and I was like, mind you, this time I've never had any of these fun things, you know? So I was like, you know, I was just DJing. I haven't ventured into the realm of, you know, adult toys. So I'm looking, I'm like, is that? And she was like, shh. And I was like, hi. Ma'am, this is a Wendy's. Anyways, long story short, the professor saw it and literally was walking by as he's doing everybody. So there's like stations lined up throughout the class. We're lined up in a circle, not lined up in a circle, but we're in a circle with our backs like, you know, like just going around. So he's walking around the center and he's like looking at everybody's booth and seeing how everyone's doing and da-da-da-da. He's going around and he walks past her. He's like, okay, yeah, lighting's good, because you're supposed to look like how you're seeing it here. Well, not really, because the ring light's showing in it, but you can see the black through it, and there's like one harsh line on the. Don't get me started. I have a problem. And he walks past, and then stops and says, "Wait a minute." And I'm trying so hard not to laugh, so hard. Horrible people. You hear me? Horrible. So titties look lopsided, but anyways, so he doubles back. He's like, "Whoa there." He's like, "You know what? Whatever." Mind you, it was a class of majority women. There was probably 4 guys in a class of 20 something. We were cracking up. There's an older gentleman that was our professor. He was so red in the face, going. He was like, "That is not what I just saw." We were cracking up. Long story short, that is what sparked my interest with the Glass Boys. Boys with an I, not with a Y. And I finally got out of my head and said, buy one, see what it's all about, because I feel like, you know, Gorilla Grip is gonna break, but we're gonna see. It's designed to not do that though. So yeah, that's all I got to say. Thank you for watching and listening to my story time. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the outro stuff. I forgot. This is how you know I'm not consistent, because I should have this on the top of my head. Why don't I remember? Because I cut everything off the top of my head. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you check out the podcast. Listen, currently there are 88 episodes and we are in December 2023. I'm doing timestamps and mile markers here. Don't say nothing to me if you're watching these videos and you're not caught up, because when we get the ball rolling, are you gonna catch up? Let's be real. Be honest. Will you? So anyways, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to Pointless Talks on any streaming platform. Wherever you listen to podcasts, pretty much wherever you listen to music, you can search Pointless Talks. My armpit shave? Pointless Talks. Yeah, Pointless. Oh, this is a good height. I did not plan that out. Yes. Okay, you can search Pointless Talks and subscribe and get to listening. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Check out the website. It's pointlesstalks.com. You can also check out the crafts page. There's an unmolding profile on here also. You can check out the crafts if you want to buy something. Do it on the website, pointlesstalks.com /crafts, I think it is. It's on the website. It's things I make, or pointlesscreates.com, whichever one. It takes you to the same website. But yeah, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless unboxing. Bye.